Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Handprint Stepping Stone Kit is probably one of the most heartwarming DIY projects you can undertake. Imagine capturing those tiny hands and feet, preserving them forever in a beautiful, personalized stepping stone. This video will guide you through everything you need to know, from unboxing the kit to adding the final touches, ensuring you create a cherished keepsake that will last for years to come. Let's dive in and make some memories. Number 5. Creative Roots Handprint Stone by Horizon Group USA. This kit includes everything you need to create a special keepsake. It comes with plaster mix, a mold, gloves, paints, and a brush. You can cherish this forever. Don't let the moment pass you by. This stepping stone kit helps you create a 7 by 7 inch handprint stone. You'll want to display it for years to come. Use the included paintbrush and bright colors to bring your stone to life. Explore color mixing to create new shades. It inspires creativity for kids and makes sweet memories. Don't forget your pets. This kit works as a pet paw print impression kit. You can cast a paw print of your furry friends. Just keep their mouths away from the plaster. The kit includes paint pots, plaster mix, gloves, a mask, a mixing stick, a paintbrush, a stone mold, and instructions. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This kit is perfect for creating lasting memories with a handprint or footprint. It includes everything you need to create a unique piece of art. If you're looking for a way to capture a special moment or remember a beloved pet, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make a handprint stepping stone. The Handprint Stepping Stone Kit is a fun and easy craft project. The Stepping Stone Kit is a great way to create a lasting memory. Number 4. Made by Me Stepping Stones Kit. This kit lets you create 4 unique stepping stones. You can preserve precious memories using the 3D mold and customize them with your own designs. The kit includes vibrant ceramic paints and gemstones. You can design unique color patterns and discover the art of color mixing to create beautiful stepping stones. These stepping stones are for display only. You can put them on a shelf, in an indoor plant, or in an outdoor garden. Remember to apply an exterior varnish to protect them. Painting is a great activity for improving hand-eye coordination. It encourages creative expression and teaches patience while having screen-free fun. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes plaster mix, a molding tray, paints, gems, and easy-to-follow directions. It even includes gloves and a protective mask. This is a perfect weekend activity for kids. It's a great keepsake and a fun birthday party idea. What we like. This kit allows you to create 4 personalized stepping stones, perfect for displaying in your garden or home. The vibrant paints and included gems let you get creative. If you are looking for a fun and engaging activity for kids, this kit is ideal for sparking creativity and developing fine motor skills. What people say. Easy to use stepping stone kit. It comes with 4 plaster packets, which is convenient if you want to make multiple stones without having to buy multiple kits. If you want to keep it simple, the plastic tray the kit comes with has a design on the bottom that once your mixture is completely dry, which takes about 8 hours, you can remove it from the mold and just paint the design. The mold is a thick plastic and comes with a dragonfly design on it. Instead, we chose to use the opposite side to create our own design. Number 3. National Geographic Stepping Stones for Kids. Introducing the National Geographic Stepping Stones. These durable, non-slip stones are perfect for active kids. They are designed to withstand lots of play, indoors or outdoors. These stepping stones are designed to help children develop balance and coordination. They encourage physical activity and help kids improve their gross motor skills while having fun. Each stone features a non-slip rubber base and textured surface. This design ensures that children can safely jump and play without worrying about slipping. The stones are built to last, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. They also stack easily for convenient storage and transport, making them ideal for any location. The set includes a spinner to create fun games. Kids can set up the stones, spin the dial, and jump to the color it lands on, making playtime imaginative and engaging. These stepping stones provide hours of screen-free fun for toddlers and kids. They encourage active play, helping children stay engaged and entertained in a healthy way. What we like. These stepping stones are designed to promote physical activity and coordination. The non-slip design ensures safety, and the included spinner adds an element of fun. If you have active kids who love to play, this is a fantastic way to encourage movement and develop their gross motor skills. What people say. These stepping stones are perfect for an indoor activity for my children of all ages. They hold a lot of weight, I think 150 pounds, but don't quote me on that, which allows me to play with my children on them. Very stable and non-slip on our floors. Indoor and outdoor entertainment, has rubber base so it's not slipping. Very durable material. You can play by the color spinner, tell the colors yourself or even arrange a small track, or play the floor is lava. It improves balance, imagination and keeps them moving. They are durable and don't slip. Kids love to jump from color to color. It is a fun indoor and outdoor game. Number 2. Bright Creations 10-inch DIY Gnome Stepping Stone Kit. This kit is a fun and easy way to express yourself. It allows you to practice your painting skills while creating something beautiful for your garden. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It's a simple and enjoyable activity for all ages. Once painted, this stepping stone becomes a charming addition to your outdoor space. It's perfect for creating a decorative pathway. The stepping stones are designed with easy-to-follow shapes. This makes the painting process fun and accessible for everyone. Inside, you'll find a 10-inch garden gnome-themed stepping stone, 8 paint pots, 2 brushes, and an instruction sheet. It has everything you need. What we like. This kit offers a fun and simple way to decorate your garden with a charming gnome design. The pre-outlined shapes make it easy to paint, and the finished product creates a decorative pathway. If you like adding a touch of whimsy to your outdoor space, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I did love the stepping stone. Every single paint color was dry and I could not use them. I did try to in small amounts of water, did not work, and both paint brushes came bent I also could not use. Number 1. Midwest StoneCraft 8-inch Mosaic Stepping Stone Kit. This kit makes it easy to create a beautiful stepping stone. Just add water and follow the simple instructions. It's a fun and rewarding project for all ages. The kit includes everything you need. It comes with a mold, stepping stone mix, colorful rocks, glass gems, and glitter. This makes the process simple and enjoyable. You'll create an 8-inch square mosaic. It's the perfect size for a garden path or patio. The finished product will add a touch of personality to any outdoor space. Inside the box, you'll find the mold, mix, decorative elements, and tools. The wooden paddle and writing tool are included. This ensures you have everything at your fingertips. The kit comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. It guides you through each step of the process. You'll have a beautiful stepping stone in no time. What we like. This kit makes it easy to create a beautiful mosaic stepping stone. With the included mix and accessories, you can create a unique piece for your garden. If you are looking for a simple and creative project, this kit provides everything you need to get started. What people say. The steps are easy enough to follow. We like the decorating elements that were added in this kit compared to others. Great quality and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.